All packed. This is by far the dumbest thing we have ever done. Do you agree, Steve?
Nope, we just got one.
What are you doing, John?
At least we got high-tech paddles. Tony talked us into going down the fucking river in this. And look at our fucking paddles.
Let's go pump this shit up. Tony, how bad is this thing? Please?
This is where Johnny and Stevie are starting. There you go. Whee!
Tony, tell the world about the flood.
There's just a big flood. We're gonna go under this bridge if it's not too high. We'll probably die right there. And then they're gonna come here. And then there's like an island up here. I don't know where the hell this is even. But they're just like keep going. And they'll eventually stop, but I don't know where because they're fucking crazy. Hopefully they don't die though. They're like my best friends in the world.
Look, this is air forward. I can see through the camera going up and down.
And now John seats on the raft, and John is holding a hole shut right there. Because there's a hole in the raft. So I'm just gonna go get some shit to fix it.
This is fucking stupid.
Grab the boat. Those two things. That's for the oars that we haven't.
Yeah, as soon as you see me on that bridge down by Turkey Hill, start getting over. Anchors away! Yeah, once you get in that main current, you're gonna go. Once you get in that main current over here, you're gonna start flying. Oh shit. See ya! In a raft coming down. They don't have paddles or anything, we're gonna have to fish them out. 159, 155.
Good.
If one is to check the bridge at the railroad crossing with all the debris they may be hung up there. 159 County, copy that. They went in at Prince Reed Avenue. It's unknown where they're at this point. They didn't get to the Columbia Street yet. Their partners were waiting with the camera. So they didn't get this far. Somewhere between Columbia and Prince Reed.
Okay.
Good idea, fellas. No, I know. Maybe in the blazing sun, you know, maybe. Yeah, when it's light out. You have no idea how fast that water's going right. Oh, it's going fast. I see when they took off. It's going really. I wonder if they got through here before you did. That'd be pretty fast. I don't know. It's going pretty good. It's possible. 159 County.
155.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I just called it in.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if there's a dive team or anything down below Schuylkill Haven. It's unknown if they may have got through here already, but they're in a rubber raft with no paddles. And Steve, right now all this is going on because of you. Everyone's looking for you. Look at this behind me.
We went to the island a bit, blew it up, blew the raft up. There was a hole in the raft after we
Tony had to go get his patch kit. That took a good half hour. Good half hour.
45 minutes.
It was dark by then.
It was dark. Pretty dark.
Yeah. And, we put the boat in the water, the raft, rubber raft. We didn't paddles. You might have heard that on that.
Tony gave us 2x4s. Those two things. Like for the oars that we have. But
was the water moving? Yeah, moving.
Yeah, the water was rough.
You have no idea how fast that water's going. Like. Oh, it's going fast. I seen when they took off.
We got going. The raft was going at a moderate speed, and it started to pick up. We got in the current.
Yeah, once you get in that main current, you're gonna go. Once you get in that main current over here, you're gonna start flying.
Scared.
The boat started to do a little 360. Whoa. And then we got scared and trying to grab on the vine to slow us down.
Steve, we let some water in too. We took in some water. Steve, like,
yeah, we did take in some water.
Steve didn't know how to paddle. I was like, Steve, paddle. He's like, I don't know. Joe, we gotta get out. I was like, well, paddle.
The paddling was different.
Finally, we grabbed onto some bamboo.
Yeah.
It's like bamboo, I'm sure.
Vines. It was vines.
It was bamboo.
And there was some kind of bamboo. It was green though.
It was green bamboo, but it's Schuylkill County bamboo.
It's a nice bamboo though. It helped. It did the job.
Underwater.
It came through.
So we pulled it over. Steve jumped ashore from about 4 feet out. I just pulled myself nicely out of the thing and we stepped out.
Well, it was easier with one person in the boat.
Alright, so anyways, we got in the boat, took off for a little bit, we realized it was stupid and we were gonna die. So we got out. Fucking dumbass who's taping us right now told the cops on quads right away, of course. I heard the quads go ripping by. We're like, me and Steve joked around. We're like, oh yeah, they're probably looking for us already.
They asked me why I was down by the river.
Oh, I let 2 kids go in the water. Why would you tell them that?
Tony, you told them we were in a rubber raft without any paddle.
Go get your flashlight.
Dad, where are the other 2?
In a state of emergency.
How did he know we were there?
Because he must have saw you when he came in, Dick.
There's no way he saw us when he came in. He's lying. Just like, and so we were walking down the bridge, and then Steve was all scared. He's like, let's just keep walking. And I was like, Steve, Tony's gonna tell us our names. They're gonna look for us all night if they don't know we were there. So I was like, oh, we gotta go back and tell them they'll stop now looking for us. So we sprinted all the way back. I go, hey, are you looking for us? They go, so you the kids were in the raft? You go, yeah, we never got in. And they're like, oh. They're like, alright, we got them.
Then my phone rings. Hello, I said. Who could it be? I thought it was Tony. Okay, Tone, we're down still at the island. You're fucking where? You are in fucking deep shit. It wasn't Tony on the phone, was it, Tony?
No, fire chief.
It was the fire chief of... It was the fire chief of Schuylkill Haven. Telling me I'm in fucking deep shit. And that we're in a lot of trouble. And other shit. So, told us not to leave. And then there was some Irish guy.
A big fire truck just backs onto the bridge out of nowhere, puts his fucking big-ass light up in the air. There's like 4 big-ass lights. It's like...
How bright was the river? How bright was the river?
It looked like day. It looked like daytime. I was
Scary.
So, Tony, how did you find out that we were still at the island?
The guy said that you guys never got in. I'm like, yeah, they did.